How to fix high ping and lag spikes on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can fix high ping and lag spikes on Roblox games. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, the lag ping issue could be happening due to a couple of reasons, and there are a couple of things that you can do. The very first thing you want to do is open up your system settings, and then you want to go to the option called network and internet on the left hand side. Then you simply want to go to the option called VPN. And once you go to VPN, make sure that you have disabled your VPN, because a virtual private network can be useful in some instances, but you don't understand really that they're going to reduce your network connection speed, so you have to keep that in mind. That doesn't help. You want to simply come to the system tab itself, and once you come to system, go to troubleshoot, and then just go ahead and open up a diagnostic and feedback section, and just go ahead and troubleshoot your device and see if there are any type of issues with your network connection. Sometimes the applications running in the background could also be causing the issue. So from the bottom right, just right click on it, go to task manager, and then you simply want to check what kind of apps are running in the background. Applications such as Google Chrome is also going to take lots of RAM, and as a result your memory and your internet cache in the background. So you want to make sure to just right click on it and choose the option called end task. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.